So, hello, once again, I'm back on my Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 AMD edition, and as always, I'm recording locally and streaming today, once again, on Twitch service. Before I will continue, let me show you the stream, if it's working properly or not. Let us see, basically, not just show you, I want to see it as well, if it's working properly or not. Yes. Nice. So yeah, we are back in Rocky Linux 10.2. Let me show you the system information. Here we are via the terminal. You can pause the stream or the video when it will be available later on my YouTube channel and take a good look at your own pace. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is 1440p, 2880 by 1800 running at 120 Hz. However, today I'm recording and streaming downscaled in Full HD 30 FPS. And the thing is, as I said the other day, I'm trying to see moving forward if I should be engaging with this screen resolution and FPS while I'm stress testing this system, at least, because it doesn't have a discrete GPU and it's basically using integrated GPU, and it's like a system from a couple years ago. So all things considered, we need to know, both I and you, how well does it work with the games and apps at the same time while multitasking, etc, etc. Anyway, let me show you the OBS settings. Let's go to the OBS settings. Here we are, Full HD 30 FPS. I'm using hardware encoders for the audio FMPEG AAC and for the video FMPEG VAPI H264, 16,000 bitrate, and for the file it's MKV. And yeah, with these things out of the way, let us check what is Rocky Linux and why you should be using it. First, let's go in Rocky Linux website in distrowatch.com. Rocky Linux is a community enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, the acronym basically RHEL. It is available for the x86-64 and AArch64 processor architectures. I'll let you know something about it because I'm always forgetting to say this, almost always, but after these readouts. Enterprise Linux the community way. This is the official website, by the way, from the Rocky Linux. I can't talk today again. The official website from the Rocky Linux people. So yeah, Rocky Linux is an open source enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Rocky Linux is under intensive development by the community. And they have on their download website, they have various versions for various platforms. They have various desktop environments as well, but today and the past few days we are using Rocky Linux 10.2 with KDE Plasma. Also, they have this Rocky Linux wiki, and you can read here plenty of good information or find other useful links. And here we are in the Wikipedia page of Rocky Linux. And something that I didn't mention many times now, it's that this Linux distribution supposedly is the one that Blackmagic promotes for use with their own tool DaVinci Resolve Studio 21 or the past versions or future versions, I'm sure. And let me see something if I have it available. Yes, we have it. So let's go and open it with Vivaldi browser. Let me zoom in a bit. I think this is fine. let me see, they have the installation methods, and yeah, here we are, DaVinci Resolve Rocky Linux ISO. So I don't know why this is still true to this date, because as we have seen, it doesn't have basically this guide is useless. It was useless, at least for this version of Rocky Linux. It didn't work like this. I had to do other stuff in order to make it work. You will see what I did in the guide. And they surely mention all the time about NVIDIA drivers. So that's my finding as well. In my NVIDIA systems, I had better success, better performance running DaVinci Resolve Studio than my AMD systems. But even then, I just want to mention this. Today, once again, the agenda is to stress test the system by running Final Fantasy XIV MMORPG in the native screen resolution while recording, streaming 30 FPS Full HD resolution. Because the other days, either in native screen resolution recording and streaming, or in Full HD resolution but 60 FPS, the performance wasn't there, at least on the stream and the recording, because while I was using the system, everything was perfect. Native screen resolution, perfection, running at high FPS too. Anyway, we are inside the game now. Let me check something to make sure. Okay, sorry for this. So here we are. I tried one thing to make sure that it will stay locked at 30 FPS, the game, I mean, the performance on the stream, on the recording, etc. So I have locked the FPS from the system configuration of the game. So let's move around the city and then try to sprint outside. Let's go. So yeah, the performance is rock solid 30 FPS at the moment. This is the city hub of the game, one of the city hubs. It's called Limsa Lominsa. Regardless of the time and the day that you are trying to log in, there are always people around it. And its performance here while recording, streaming, etc. Basically, it's like a benchmark, because you can be assured that if it plays properly in this city hub and recording and stream are fine, then you can be sure that the same will be true in dungeons, doing content with multiple players. So yeah, right now the performance is pretty smooth. I have no lags myself. I'm not experiencing anything bad. So let's see how well it will be inside the city hub once again, and hopefully everything will be perfect on the stream and the recording, because I'm out of tricks to see if this game can handle this computer, this system can handle gaming, recording, streaming, multitasking with other apps while running Rocky Linux 10.2 or perhaps future versions as well. So yeah, so far this was perfect. Now let's go in another workspace. Let's try to load up the apps that I have on my dock, including Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. I don't know if the stream is working properly at the moment, but I have no problems loading the apps. They are like no problem at all. It's like the game isn't even running or something. Even though I have my browser with multiple tabs loaded as well. And right now I'm started loading creative apps, which are somewhat heavy. Let's just say heavy. And then let's go with DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. And I will do some playback on the timeline, on the 4K timeline. And yeah, so far the performance has been rock solid as far as what I'm experiencing. Hopefully the stream and the recording will be fine too. So yeah, no problem at all it seems. So let's just go to another page, like color grading page. Move back and then again play. Okay, almost perfect. Let's move forward a bit. Yeah, it's not 30 FPS, but at least it's after the installation. I have no issues while trying to handle, you know, the app. Anyway, let's go back now to the game. Here we are, and let's wiggle a bit. Let's walk around a bit. Yeah, personally, I'm interested. Sorry. Oh. Sorry, very sorry. I apologize. So yeah, I have no doubts myself that what I'm going to experience today still is going to be rock solid, smooth, etc. But sorry again. But I'm anxious to see how it performs in the stream and the recording. We are here for this thing and this thing alone. So this is a test. Change the font as well. Oops, I mistyped there. How about 24 size? Perfect. And then go back to the game again. Yeah, no problem at all. Again, another workspace. Let's do a wallpaper jump. Let's just go to, which one is it now? Okay, let's just go like, I don't know, like this. Boom. Or like, I don't know, this. Yeah, everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Let's go back to the apps. Expose, boom, 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 boom. No problem whatsoever. Let's keep on loading a few more apps like Inkscape, and I think I'll go with Krita as well. Let me do my mouse styler. Here we are. Let's go with Krita. Yeah, I don't see any issues at all. Draw something. Lag free, absolutely lag free. Now let's go back into the game. Wiggle a bit. Walk around. Yeah, no issues at all. I think I will stop the testing now and exit and quit all the apps. And yeah, I don't know what to say. Hopefully it worked fine. Hopefully, let me close all the apps except the Vivaldi browser, of course. Let me do it with the keybinds as soon as possible, as quick as possible. Bam, 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 boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom. Yeah, no problem at all. And I have the terminal still open as well, so let's reset it. Exit. Boom. So yeah, as you can see, rock solid performance. I don't know if the stream and the recording are fine, but what I'm experiencing regardless in the past few days has been perfect. Today it wasn't an exception. So hopefully the stream and the recording are fine as well, running at 30 FPS. Sorry, not running, streaming and recording at 30 FPS. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!